In this video, we will show you how to purchase a managed VPS at Bluehost. Is your website growing and ready for more power, speed, and control? Bluehost's managed VPS gives you server resources like CPU, RAM, and storage without the hassle of server maintenance. Bluehost manages updates, security, and performance so you can focus on growing your website. In this video, we'll show you how to purchase a managed VPS at Bluehost. Are you ready? Let's get started. In your browser, go to bluehost.com. From the Hosting drop-down menu, select Managed VPS Hosting. You can also visit this link directly. Scroll down to the Hosting Plan section and select your preferred hosting plan by clicking Choose Plan. Create your account with an email address and password, or link it directly to your Google, Apple, or GitHub account. Enter your payment details in the Billing Information section and select your payment method. You can select to pay using your card, Google Pay, or PayPal. In the card section, choose your preferred billing term from the drop-down menu. Review the items in your cart, then scroll down and click the Submit Payment button to complete your payment. Once your payment has been processed, you will receive an order confirmation email from Bluehost with information about your account. You can access and manage your Bluehost account by logging in through our website or by going directly to the Bluehost login page using this link. Congratulations! You now know how to purchase a managed VPS, giving you powerful resources with the convenience of expert management. Enjoy enhanced performance, scalability, and greater control without the complexity of managing a server yourself. Start with Bluehost today and take your website to the next level.